hindi ka sunod-sunuran sa kung ano. You really have to study or ask people, doctors, or sino yung pwede mo makausap. One intervention kasi leads to another eh. The medication for induction is already one intervention. So, nagkakaroon kasi ng cascade of interventions yan. So, isang intervention, magkakaroon pa ng mga kung ano-anong ibang complications that would require another intervention, that would require more interventions. Parang domino effect siya eh. Isa lang yung ginawa sa'yo, ang dami nang gagawin nila sa'yo. So, that's why I'm sharing this to all moms, lalo na dun sa mga first-time moms na mag-aral kayo. Aralin nyo anong nangyayari sa katawan nyo para maintindihan nyo the basic science of how your body works, functions ng lahat ng mga parts na to, ng mga organs natin sa katawan, how they work together to function properly. If you know what's going on inside your body, mas empowered ka to make better decisions. Like and subscribe!